Alright, welcome back to the Cymax channel. I'm going to tell you today about Litdb. This started out as a literature and document database with OpenAlex and some files, PDFs, things that can be turned into text. And what I'm going to show you today is that I've added some capability to index YouTube videos and audio files by the spoken text that's in them. The gist of the idea is pretty simple. You can take these videos or audio files and then run them through OpenAI Whisper, and it will extract the text from the spoken words, and then we just store that in Litdb as the text associated with the path. So I'll show you this YouTube video. I made this yesterday, and we'll put this one here into our database, and then I'm going to also show you this podcast that I just made this morning. And this one you have to download the file, and then you can store it locally. It does work if your URL points to an actual audio object, but this URL doesn't. It just points to this page. Okay, so let's jump in and see what we need to do here. Let me make this a little bit bigger. So in here I have the one MP3 file. I'm going to go ahead and make litdb init. And this is a totally local setup that I'm going to show you, so I don't need to put in any information. And that tells us where we are. And so I can just say litdb add, and we'll start with this YouTube channel. That's it. It's exactly the same as adding anything else. We just give it the YouTube channel, and it takes it a second, and it gives you some warnings that are mostly ignorable. And now let's do litdb show in that same URL, and we should see a wall of text here in a moment. So this is the actual transcript that came from that YouTube video, and you can see here I talk about, we have the title of the video, the description from the video, and then down here is the transcript. These are all the words that I had to say. And so now I can use a vector search or full text search. So let's try it out. Litdb full text light LLM. That should find the only one here that has those actual words in it. So there it is. It finds a YouTube video, and I believe I didn't try this, so we'll see. If I open this, it should just open my browser, and that should pop up somewhere. I have to open the URL. Yeah, so that'll open it right there.
All right, today I'm going to tell you about some...
And I don't need to hear myself again. We can also do a vector search. And it does find it. And then finally, we'll just, for fun, let's do litdb chat. Can litdb use light LLM? And this is just going to, it's using Llama 2 because I didn't specify a specific model. It looks like it got confused with what light LLM and LitLM is. Maybe a better model would be good for that. Okay, let's also try to add the MP3. Litdb add Broderick. This is also now converting that MP3 into text. I think I used transformers for this in the OpenAI Whisper module. And so now if I do a show here, then it should show me again like a little wall of text here that is the transcript from that MP3. And so this is more or less what I said in that podcast. And so now this too is searchable. So if I say litdb vsearch alloy segregation, then it should show me this one as the first hit. It's probably going to show that YouTube video second because it shows everything. And I think it's a little bit annoying here that it shows the whole text. That's just a feature of how I have it set up. But you can see here this distance is 0.4 and this one is 0.9. So it's kind of like far away. You can probably fix this by modifying this template. And we'll just use the source. And so that shows me these two sources that are here. So that's the main idea. You can get this in the newest version of Litdb, pip install, and you'll get to be able to add YouTube videos and then search YouTube videos. In theory, you could use other videos, but this edition is kind of specifically for YouTube. I don't have a lot of video files laying around, and but I thought it was interesting just to try it and then see that it is actually possible. Okay, so you can find the information about this in where to get Litdb in the video description. And if you found this interesting, like the video and come back next time when we talk about new features that are available. Thanks for coming.